So anyway, we're applying adhesive to dissolve this. A call just came through that interrupted my recording. All right. Okay. And so we go towards the end. Yeah, it's a painstaking process as opposed to using heat. If I had used heat, I think by now I would just be taking it apart. I suppose just wanted to give you the alternative solution, and also as being lazy, but my laziness has turned out to be costly in terms of time. Okay, so it should loosen slowly. This adhesive seeps in. Alright, so I need to sneak in some. We're getting there. Okay, and then okay, get down to here towards the end. So when you meet a bit of resistance, that's a call for a little more of the solvent to be snacking. I'm comfortable doing this because this is an OLED screen. If it were an IPS screen, I would just go to the heat option, because this liquid would get into the internal backlighting layers, which is not very helpful to the screen. So I have to just deal with this. Alright. Okay. And then turns out that was a little excess strain, but it is what it is. So that back is open. Now we unscrew. Question is, do I have my screwdriver set? Alright, so I need this screw, and we are going to open this up to see the lower part. So I'm interested only in this lower piece because I want to access that hole. And yeah, so that means taking out these screws like that. Like that. And that. Oh, feel free to speak. These videos are not, they call it what?
No,
not staged.
No, I don't like kidding, because speaking will be okay, but the high chances that I will not get a response. Because you're trying to focus on something and attention, so that is self-explanatory.
Okay, thank you.
If I come back, I'll be on my phone and you're down the shot, so I'm not in a hurry.
The card. Okay, so this opens up, then this comes out, and now we've opened this. So now this mic, this is the mic, and therefore with the mic on, so I'm going to turn this on, and then I'm going to unclog that hole so that sound reaches there. But first I think I should pick this out. Okay, so that's a filter. Okay, and then I'll need to look into that hole. I hope I have a pin small enough to go through that hole. And so this pokes in right there, and you can see it's showing up on that end if you look carefully. I'm try to zoom in, having zoomed in, but allows that. Alright, So now I have to wait for this guy to bring me the password, and we run a test. So I need to put back this vent, but before putting it back, I need to see to it that it is cleaned, because I also do not want the dust to go straight to the screen, sorry, to the mouthpiece. So let me wipe that out. Now this is usually the first frontier in solving this problem. When we turn it on and test it and it gives us trouble, then we'll know we need to go an extra step and look at the mic itself. I think we've cleaned this enough. Okay. All right. Let me put it back. And it was facing this side. So put that down like that, and then bring this down to cover. Let me zoom out. All right. Sorry, when I go quiet, just know I'm on the sections that require some sort of concentration, so words get put on pause a bit. Okay, this interlocks like that, and that too. Now I can bring my screwdriver and screw this down, screw that down. Okay, need to release it a bit and push it further down. Okay, now that's flat enough. You can now apply the screws. Yeah, so that's just a process of allowing you clear the phone's mouthpiece so you can be able to be heard. I needed the pattern so that I can use the voice recorder to test that. We have solved the problem, but for now, since the owner is not around, I will attempt to call the phone and listen on the other side. Hope the line that is in here is the one whose number I know. Okay. Unfortunately, the phone with the number turns out to be recording, but let me see if have it in this other phone. Some PC. Some Silver. Samuel Silver. Okay, let me try the MTN. I like to think it's what's on. So it cannot be reached at this time. See, MTN Uganda. Oh, they're both MTN lines. We'll try the other number. Okay, now it calls. And let me answer. And listen. Hello? So if you can hear, this is coming from the other phone. So that means the mouthpiece works. Let me also talk to myself. I am able to hear. I think let me put this phone on loudspeaker so that you guys know that I'm talking from the other one. So you can hear that feedback. Yeah, so I think this is good. It was just a simple cleaning problem. And just like that, we've solved the mouthpiece problem. See you in the next video.